Fun.
Enriching.
Place to learn.
It's a family group.
Adelante pushes you.
I think it's a diamond in the rough.
Adelante is the best.
It's an open door.
Adelante has been like a lifesaver.
What Adelante means is really moving forward.
To me, it's home.
I have trouble with my homework, so I don't stay concentrated sometimes.
They help me pay for high school tuition, and I help the kids. I tutor them, help them with their homework.
People actually help you, you know. They don't just tell you what to do. They like make sure you get done.
Well, Adelante helped me and my parents avoid babysitting when we were small. They helped us build academically more smarter and physically much better. And we play a lot of sports.
Keeps me in shape, keeps me out of trouble.
They learn their homework, but they also get their exercise and their snack and their fun time.
It's fun to be here, to play with the kids.
First, before they have fun, they got to do their duties to themselves and to our society. They got to make sure that they get good grades and go on in life.
In our after-school program, we work with the younger kids in helping them to improve their grades in school, their social skills. So we have academic enrichment as well as recreational activities.
There's the 8th grade program, which helps you get into Central Catholic or PME or any high schools around here.
And we also have a unique program called School Success, where the high school students come back to the center weekly to tutor and mentor our younger students.
It helps me with the little kids, you know, they look up to us, they follow in our footsteps basically. They just want to do everything we do.
Stay in school. At one point, I felt like there was no need for me to be there. When we heard that he wasn't going to school anymore, myself and our school success coordinator, we met with him.
So like they told me the truth, they told me their opinions, told me the facts, and I realized it was like, yeah, I had to go.
You complete your homework, you accomplish something that you will be using tomorrow, and it'll be helping you one day.
And if they do that and we help them understand that at Adelante, then they're going to be all right outside.
So when he teach me things, it's kind of morally correct. If you think about it, then it's going to make sense on the court. It's going to make sense in life.
Sam Ortega, Central Catholic.
I'm here tonight to receive a scholarship which Adelante awarded me with.
When I first started coming here, you know, I looked up to all the scholarship recipients. They used to come every day and they used to be so happy just to like help the kids do their homework, and they always had such a positive attitude. So I just wanted to be like them and give back to the community. I wanted to be one of the scholarship recipients.
My daughter got the acceptance letter from Central Catholic. We all got so excited. It was like a week after my husband passed away. I say, okay, but this is very expensive, and now I'm a widow with 3 children. How are we gonna do this?
Rouhani Priya, Central Catholic.
And then Chris called me telling me that we also were gonna get another $2,000 scholarship from Adelante. It's like, wow, that much money to me. My teenage daughter, Rouhani, had to commit to work 160 hours as a volunteer. 160 hours, that's nothing for a scholarship that's helping my family.
It's a blessing to really have this type of program to help them, first of all, in the financial aspect, but to believe in themselves, to have a high self-esteem, and to be able to help others. A lot of people were there for me, so I want to like give back the favor and be there for other kids who need my help.
Because of this program, Adelante, people don't have to be scared that their son are gonna end up in drugs, their son are gonna end up in gangs, or they're gonna turn up dead somewhere.
It probably can change one of those kids' lives, because right now I see a lot of kids running in the streets, breaking windows, breaking cars, stealing. And Adelante, they can take those kids in here, help them with all the problems they have, instead of getting killed and all that.
I think Adelante helps them because it's like a way out.
This place, it really helps with leadership. If I wouldn't be here, I would be a totally different person. So this place has changed me in the good way.
Without Adelante, I wouldn't be where I am. I don't know where I'd be. I don't know how I'd afford Central. I don't know if I'd even be in Central. Not only that, it was just more like all the people that I got to meet and all the friends that I've made through the whole process. It's been awesome.
You know how one open door opens other ones? I think Adelante is like the first door, and I know Adelante has opened so many doors from him.
These are the world's kids. We are under the obligation to bring them up right. Give them moral values, give them respect for others, for themselves, give them respect for the community, and especially for Adelante.
For a family like us, there is a low-income family, you know, not a single mom, but I'm a widow. And, you know, an opportunity like this is like the light, you know, at the end of the tunnel.
The volunteers, like they come and they help us. And I want to do that, because if they're helping me, I can help somebody else.